Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Buick Regal with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step before attempting to start the engine. Then, take your key and insert it completely into the ignition cylinder. You should feel it slide in smoothly until it stops. Once the key is in, you'll notice different positions. Turning it one click clockwise puts it in the ACK position, which powers accessories like the radio. A second click brings you to the ON position, illuminating your dashboard warning lights. This is where the car's electrical systems are fully active, but the engine isn't running yet. Now, to start the engine, turn the key one more click clockwise to the start position. You'll hear the engine crank. Hold the key in this position for just a moment until the engine catches and begins to run smoothly. Avoid holding it for more than a few seconds to prevent strain on the starter motor. Once the engine starts, immediately release the key. It will automatically spring back to the ON position. Take a quick glance at your dashboard to ensure no warning lights remain illuminated. If everything looks good, you're all set to put the vehicle in gear and begin your drive safely. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.